Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're reviewing the Simpson Cleaning 88282 Cleaner, a heavy-duty, concentrated soap solution that's quickly becoming known as the best house washing solution available. Whether you're washing your driveway, your car, or tackling tough grease on equipment, this cleaner has got you covered. The Simpson Cleaning 88282 Cleaner is an incredibly versatile product that works seamlessly with pressure washers, steam cleaners, automatic scrubbers, or even with manual applications. What makes this product stand out is its powerful, concentrated formula that can be diluted as little as half an ounce per gallon of water, providing up to 256 gallons of cleaning solution from just one bottle. That's not only effective but also highly economical. This heavy-duty cleaner is perfect for a range of surfaces, including concrete, vinyl siding, fences, windows, appliances, and more. It works wonders on tough grease, grime, and stains, cutting through oil and dirt effortlessly. Whether you're cleaning around your house, preparing your deck for summer, or washing the family car, this cleaner will make the job quicker and easier. One of the key features of this product is its ability to be used with various types of pressure washers, or even by hand with a spray bottle, mop, or cloth. It is highly concentrated but safe for all outdoor surfaces, making it perfect for everyday use as well as industrial cleaning tasks. But it's not just about convenience, it's about results. The Simpson Cleaning 88282 Cleaner gives you deep cleaning power. That will leave your surfaces sparkling clean without any harsh chemicals that could harm your equipment or the environment. It's designed to be tough on stains but gentle on surfaces, ensuring you can clean more without worrying about damage. If you're tired of using multiple products to get your surfaces clean, this all-in-one solution eliminates the need for other cleaners. It's safe, effective, and designed for every kind of cleaning job you might face, from your home siding to commercial machinery. That's a wrap on today's review of the Simpson Cleaning 88282 Cleaner. If you're in need of the best house washing solution that's efficient, cost-effective, and easy to use, look no further. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with another product review to help you make the best buying decisions.